So today I'm going to expose a big secret of mine. It's a tool I've been using to clean larger vehicles, including vans, for some time. And this item can be found almost anywhere, online, in shops, and it comes at a price of like under £4. So to give an example of this item, I'm going to be cleaning this semi-neglected BMW, which has been sat under a tree for a good 2 months. So vehicles like this, and even taller vehicles, it's never easy to reach the top of the car for cleaning, or sometimes if it's a van, it's hard to get right around the top and all the way down the sides, and it can take a long time with just a sponge and a grit guard in a bucket. So this is the item I'm going to share with you. So here's the big reveal. This is a microfiber mop. You can find these almost anywhere, online, in your local shop. These are perfect for cleaning cars like this, and let me tell you why. So not only are these things really cheap, they come with a detachable microfiber cloth head, which you can put inside a bucket with a grit guard in with soapy water to clean off. You can stick it in the washing machine, and you can just connect it straight back on the mop and use it again. The other really good thing about this mop is the size. This is just over a foot in length, so you can cover a lot of ground with one of these on a very large vehicle. So starting with the bonnet and stretching over the roof of the car, you can make short work of really dirty cars in a very short period of time. Other really good things about these mops is you can detach the head and hold the end with a microfiber cloth as if it was a sponge. You can swipe it across panels, across windows, and you can hold onto the end and reach far areas of the car. Another good thing is these generate quite a lot of suds since it's microfiber, so you can get a really good lather of soap and spread it across the car quite conveniently. It also comes in 4 very snazzy colours. So here you go, you can watch me clean this car with a microfiber mop, taking a few breaks to rinse out and reapply product to the end, and you can see how quickly I can clean this car. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can buy these, and also leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. It also comes in 4 very snazzy colours.